Hello, this is Carrie Swatala with Magnetic Marketing Solutions. Today we're going to talk about a cool new app that you can add to your Facebook fan page to both thank and recognize your fans for their participation and engagement on your Facebook fan page. This app is called the Fan of the Week app, and it is free for the basic package and the message shown here below, which I'll tell you a little bit more later about. But you also can upgrade for a small fee to customize your message. So the Fan of the Week app, once installed, will show up as a tab on your Facebook fan page. So that way people that maybe missed the announcement can kind of go back and see who the Fan of the Week was for that week. So here's a sample of how the Fan of the Week appears. And you can see that it includes the person's name with a short message as well as their photo. So it's a great exposure for them and a great way to thank them. The piece that I also like is that oftentimes this is something fun for people to comment or like, so it also gets you some additional exposure as well. Now there's two different ways to go ahead and add this app to your fan page. Number one, you can go to this link here, or when you're on your fan page, in the search bar, you can type in Facebook Fan of the Week app, and it'll appear there as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on this link. And because I manage multiple pages, it is going to allow me to choose a page to add to. If it's just you and you're just doing one page, then it should just populate it there. So we're going to click choose a page to add to. And we are going to select Occasionally Yours store. And then once we've selected the store, we're going to add Fan of the Week for pages. And it'll take just a minute to populate it. So the first thing that it's going to allow you to do, we're going to click to just hide this ad, so close. Actually, we're not going to click that. So the first thing that we're going to do is choose the first fan of the week. So we'll click on that button and we'll wait for a second. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull up a list of the fans and what they've done based on activity. So those that have had more activity are going to appear at the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look and see who has both liked some post and also wrote some comments. So we're going to go out down here and actually choose Christine since she did both. And then it should put her picture up there shortly. And there she is. And then what it's going to do is it's going to pull up a message that it's going to post on your timeline. Now here is where you have the option if you want to upgrade, and I believe it's $39.95. We'll click here in a minute to show you. But if you want to upgrade and get the paid app, it allows you to customize this message. Otherwise, you just click OK. And then you're going to want to say something about this post. So we're going to say, congratulations to our Fan of the Week, Christine. And it's very important here to make sure that you spell their name correctly. So we're going to just give that a real quick look. Christine Wallstrom Swatala. All right, and then we're going to click share. And what it'll do is automatically populate it onto your timeline. So I'll show you what that looks like in a minute here. But before I do, there's two different things to look at. Number one, it'll automatically pick a fan each week, so you can select the day and the time of which you want the fan to be selected. So we're going to put this Thursdays at 11 a.m. And then what it will allow us to do, another feature for the upgrade is if you want to exclude fans or if you want to be able to pick, hand select who your Fan of the Week is, customize the announcement. You can see the list here. These are all the different things that are the features that you could get from the paid app, but that's $39.95, so that's up to you as if you think that that is a worthwhile purchase for you or not. I think for the majority of you, you can just stick with the basic free app. So once we've done that, it's basically done and ready to go, and automatically 6 days from today, it'll pick who your Fan of the Week is based on their engagement with your page. So it'll select that person and it'll automatically populate it onto your timeline. unless you go for the paid option. So let's take a look and see how it appears. And we'll scroll down here. And so as you can see here, it says, congratulations to our fan of the week, Christine Wallstrom-Sotala. And already someone has liked it. So it's a great thing, great exposure, and a wonderful way to thank your fans for their engagement. So I hope that you found this to be helpful. Good luck with your Facebook endeavors.